Hmm? You can control your mom and dad. Accept o decline? Hmm? Mukhang masaya to ah. Ma, pasok na po ako.
Sige anak, mag-iingat ka ha.
Sige po, ma. Who's late for work today? Mom or dad? Lagi namang maaga si mama sa work. Kaya, siya muna. Who will skip lunch? Diet naman si mama. Kaya, siya na lang muna. Who will get promoted at work? Malaki na